3D printing has revolutionized the way we create, design, and prototype, making it an essential tool for professionals, hobbyists, and educators. Whether you need a high-precision resin printer, a versatile FDM model, or a fast, user-friendly option, there's a 3D printer for every need. Modern 3D printers now offer improved print speeds, higher resolution, larger build volumes, and better connectivity, allowing for seamless printing from your computer or mobile device. In this list, we will explore the top 5 best 3D printers, considering their performance, ease of use, reliability, and innovative features. From budget-friendly models for beginners to advanced printers for professionals, these selections represent the best choices available today. Let's dive into the best 3D printers on the market. Number 1. Creality K1C 3D printer. The Creality K1C 3D printer is a high-speed, next-generation machine built for efficiency and precision. With an impressive 600 mm per second max speed, it dramatically reduces printing time without compromising on quality. The robust direct drive extruder, upgraded from the K1SE, ensures clog-free printing, even with carbon fiber filaments. Its AI camera enhances real-time monitoring and error detection, making printing more reliable. The auto bed leveling feature guarantees perfect first layers, while the fully enclosed design improves temperature stability. The 300°C high-temp nozzle supports a wide range of materials, including ABS, PLA, PETG, and nylon, expanding creative possibilities. Ideal for professionals and enthusiasts, the K1C delivers precision, speed, and convenience, making it a top choice for advanced 3D printing projects. Number 2. QIDI Plus4 3D printer. The QIDI Plus4 3D printer is a high-speed Core XY machine designed for professional and hobbyist use. With a 600 mm per second max speed, it significantly reduces printing time while maintaining precision. The 370°C high-temp extruder supports advanced filaments like PPS-CF, nylon, ABS, and carbon fiber, making it ideal for industrial-grade projects. Its fully enclosed chamber, heated up to 65°C, prevents warping and ensures better layer adhesion. Featuring auto bed leveling, it delivers accurate first layers with minimal effort. The direct drive extruder provides smooth filament flow, while vibration compensation technology reduces ringing and ghosting. With a large 12-inch by 12-inch by 11-inch build volume, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a user-friendly touchscreen, the QIDI Plus4 offers speed, reliability, and top-tier performance. Number 3. FLSUN T1 Pro 3D printer. The FLSUN T1 Pro 3D printer is designed for high-speed, high-precision printing, making it an excellent choice for professionals and enthusiasts. With an impressive 1000 mm per second printing speed, it significantly reduces production time while maintaining exceptional detail. The 300°C direct drive extruder with an integrated nozzle supports a variety of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and high-temp materials. Its fully automatic bed leveling ensures a flawless first layer every time. The 60°C heated chamber enhances adhesion and reduces warping, especially for advanced materials. The large print volume, 11.2 inches by 11.2 inches by 13 inches, allows for bigger and more complex designs. Whether for prototypes, functional parts, or creative projects, the FLSUN T1 Pro delivers speed, reliability, and premium performance in one powerful package. Number 4. Phrozen Mighty Revo 3D printer. The Phrozen Sonic Mighty Revo LCD Resin 3D printer offers top-tier performance with its 14K monochrome 10.1-inch LCD screen, providing detailed and fast prints with superior resolution. It's designed for efficiency with auto-leveling technology that ensures optimal print surfaces, minimizing errors. The printer also includes failure detection, alerting users to potential issues during printing to save time and material. Equipped with a built-in heater exhaust vent, it ensures stable resin temperature, enhancing overall print quality and flow. With a printing volume of 8.8 by 5 by 9.3 inches, it supports a range of creative and professional applications. The Sonic Mighty Revo is perfect for both hobbyists and professionals looking for high precision, speed, and reliability in their 3D printing projects. Number 5. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 3D printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer FLSUN Pro 3D printer is a high-performance machine designed for efficiency and ease of use. With one-click auto printing, it allows for effortless operation, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. Capable of printing at a maximum speed of 600 millimeters per second, it ensures quick and precise results. The printer features a 0.4/0.6 millimeter nozzle bundle, allowing for flexible filament options and improved detail. Built with a core XY structure, it provides enhanced stability, accuracy, and silent printing operations. Remote app control lets you manage your prints from anywhere, while the camera surveillance feature enables real-time monitoring. The Adventurer 5M Pro is a top choice for users looking for reliability, speed, and control in their 3D printing projects.